Thanks, Anthony. As you look around the competition floor, there are so many tools of the trade, and many of these tools have been provided by Skills Canada sponsors. Mitutoyo provides a lot of precision measuring equipment, and joining me now is Erin Farmer, National Sales Manager with Mitutoyo Canada. Thanks for being here.
Hello.
Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Good morning. So what kind of equipment are you providing for Skills Canada National Competition, and where can we see them in action?
Well, see, I brought my list. I was telling you about my list. So we provide, we're a metrology measurement provider, precision measurement, and we have hand tools, vision equipment, coordinate measurement machines, so various different types of machines that we use to measure. We are actually judging over at competitions 5 and 6, the CNC and precision metalworking competitions. Then we have some tools donated to mechanical CAD, competition number 5, 14 aerospace technology, 33 automotive technology, industrial millwright mechanic, sheet metal, outdoor power, heavy equipment, and welding.
Okay, so you're everywhere.
Everywhere. Yeah.
That's a lot of running around if you have to go to all these different competitions.
It's all good. No, it's all good.
So how is it important for these Mitutoyo projects to get into the hands of these competitors at an early stage in their career?
Well, I mean, it's Mitutoyo as a company manufactures, services, supports, and sells, so we are a sales company, but more importantly for us here, it's to teach students about measurement and the importance of it and things like that. So it's a nice afterthought that it was a Mitutoyo tool, but we were really here just to kind of use our global might and our knowledge to help the competition areas, the students, the parents, and anyone else understand what precision measurement means. So it's important.
Why is precision measurement so important for skilled trades?
See, I led you into the next question.
Exactly.
Well, I mean, there's a few different ways of thinking of it. The manufacturing machines, and we're in the manufacturing realm, which means a lot of different things, but the manufacturing machines themselves are very precise and can actually make some parts down to tolerances or sizes you can't even see. So to make them, you got to be able to measure them, because if you don't, then there's scrap issues. If you're building some gears, internal gears for some sort of an engine, there's noise, there's efficiency problems, there's wear. So it really is important for precision measurement based on what's being made, what industry it's going into, and you know what the result is. From that's just a manufacturing to measurement. But then understanding the data and doing these measurements over time will help you not measure as much anymore. That's the whole point. Yeah.
You mentioned it before, Mitutoyo has a long history of innovation in metrology, which, for those who don't know, is the science of measuring. Mm-hmm. And how has technology made a serious impact in your industry, like the new QM Fit?
You looked up the QM Fit?
Well, I'd like to know more. I'd like to know more information about it. That's why I'm here. I ask questions.
Mitutoyo's been around. We're coming up 100 years globally, 50 years plus in Canada. And so we have a lot of different tools and have for a long time. The innovation side of it is to try to make measurement more easy, to collect the data, do some analysis. The QM Fit is just a simple optical measurement device that you can set a part on. It'll automatically pull out the components and take some basic measurements for you. That's one out of 5,000 products we have, but it is a new product. The innovation from a manufacturing, what do they need perspective is a lot of automation, a lot of data analysis. So we're spending a lot of time looking at Bluetooth technology to get measurement data into systems that can do some analysis and things like that. So that's kind of how it's grown for Mitutoyo and measurement over the last 5, 10, 15 years.
And I'm sure it's going to keep growing
with
everything
absolutely.
Kind of happening in this industry.
There will be things that come that we're not even ready for yet, and then we will be. So.
Yeah. How important is the partnership that you have with Skills Canada?
Well, I mean, we've been an official partner since 2014, and I was talking to Felipe, who was walking me over here, about I've been at all of these events, and I've seen them grow, and I love working with Patrick and the team at Skills Canada. I think for us, again, like I said earlier, it's Mitutoyo's. We feel it's our responsibility to come and use our social media presence and our knowledge and to help, be a partner for Skills Canada. and it's great to work with them to be able to have a space to show off our equipment and to really teach people about our product. I can't say anything more about Skills Canada. They've been a great partner to work with, and we're planning on being a partner for a long, long time.
That's wonderful. There's only a few hours left in the competition. This is the last day. Anything you're looking forward to seeing during these last few hours? Obviously, you're very busy. You have a list full of things that you have to do, but anything you're looking to sneak away at?
Well, I mean, where we are doing some judging right now on the precision and CNC machining competitions, one of the products is a cool 3-piece CN tower. I think people should go over and have a look at that one. It's not an easy thing to build or put together, and it's definitely not an easy thing to measure. So we have a big team of Mitutoyo reps here helping out and doing that. So it'll be fun to see the end of that. I mean, I just like walking around at the end of the day and listening to the cheers they have and talking about how great everyone was at the competition and seeing the winners and all of that in any of the competitions is the whole point of this, I think. So it's good to see.
Do you have any advice for any either people watching at home, kids here on the floor, or young people interested in the trades?
From a children or a new into trade person perspective, I feel like, if you're that interested in it, come to these events. Come to Skills Canada, have a look at it. Go to the provincial skills events. Talk to local manufacturers. Talk to guidance counselors, your parents. I mean, just have that conversation. From a business standpoint, the obligation we have is to try and talk about this and get it out to the market. And our schools have to start talking about skills more to make it easily available for students to have access to if they have questions. So it's asking questions and talking about it instead of, just, well, it'd be nice to do. Go look at it and do some investigation. There's a lot of places to go and see all the different trades and see what a wonderful career it would be for many different reasons. Yeah.
Erin Farmer, always a pleasure. You're the National Sales Manager with Mitutoyo. Have a great rest of your competition here, and hopefully we'll see you again next year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.